Hello everyone, welcome to Novio's Kitchen.
Today we're going to be making Pasta A La Poblana.
Pasta A La Poblana features a creamy, flavorful sauce made primarily with roasted poblano peppers, giving it a mild, smoky heat. It is a Mexican pasta dish that blends Italian and Mexican culinary traditions. Let's get cooking. To make this dish, you will need 2 very large poblano peppers, a small bunch of cilantro, a quarter of a white onion, 1 clove of garlic, 1 tablespoon of butter, chicken bouillon, 1 can of table cream, 1 can of evaporated milk, and of course, pasta. We're using bucatini because we want it covered and filled with sauce. More sauce, more light.
The first step is to blacken the peppers. This gives them a smoky, slightly charred taste. It also brings out the sweetness and reduces their raw bitterness, which creates a deeper, more complex flavor profile. Turn the peppers around occasionally to help blacken every side. When the peppers look like this, they're done. It took us about 10 minutes to complete this step. Let's add the peppers into a Ziploc bag, seal it, and let it rest and steam for about 15 minutes. After steaming, let's peel off the blackened skin. It should come off easily. If necessary, use a little bit of water to help wipe away any stubborn bits of charred skin. Let's also remove the stem and the seeds and add the cleaned peppers into the blender. Now let's add peppers, cilantro, white onion, garlic, cream, salt, pepper, chicken bouillon, and evaporated milk into the blender. And blend until smooth. Now let's heat up the pan and add butter and blended sauce into the pan. Cook over low heat to reduce and thicken the sauce a little bit. Remember to use low heat and stir the sauce to prevent scorching and curdling. Now the sauce is done. Let's make the pasta. Follow the cooking instructions on the package of your pasta to get perfect results. When the pasta is cooked, add it to the sauce. You know the sauce is good, so mix well to make sure the sauce coats every noodle evenly and everything is well combined. The dish is ready, let's try it out. You can immediately taste the cilantro's unique flavor, and then it has a smoky note because of the poblano peppers. The sauce is smooth and comforting because of the cream and milk. Everything is just so good.
We hope you liked the video. Until next time, happy cooking!